And all I did was I got in there with just a little bit of elbow grease. Yo, this really cleaned the glue and gunk from my scissors. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I ran out of my normal scissor cleaning oil, so I tried something else and it worked. Stay tuned. Yo, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for choosing to be here today. I really do appreciate it. This is going to be a very quick share of something that worked for me when cleaning my scissors. All too often when I'm crafting, probably like a lot of you, I'll get something on my scissors and I'll mean to clean it later. And then I forget. Then I'm on camera and I'm cutting and I'll make the comment, boy, do I need to clean my scissors? And I still don't do it. Well, today we are going to clean my scissors using something totally different from what I normally use. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera so that you can see my gunky, nasty scissors, and then we're going to clean them. All right, y'all, so here are my scissors. But you might even notice that my mat looks a lot cleaner. I use the same technique that I'm about to share with you. So I pulled out 3 of my scissors. I've been cleaning the others and I thought I should make this into a little helpful hint video. That's why I'm filming this part of it. So I have 3 that I haven't cleaned yet. I cleaned these just a few minutes ago and they are ready to go to work. These are my little detailing scissors and I had gunk all in here and it made it hard for me to get in and detail, but now they're nice and clean. For those of you who remember, the last time that I cleaned my mat and I shared how I clean my scissors, I was using a hair oil that's meant to release glue tape or hair extension tape, all of those type things. That's what it was meant for, but I found it very useful to clean my scissors as well as my mat, and it had a wonderful citrus smell. Well, I'm all out of that, but I really wanted to clean my scissors without having to wait on a new order to come in. And something my daughter was using made me think, will it work for this? And I found out that it would. And here's what I'm talking about. This stuff, she got it from the Dollar Tree and it's called Totally Awesome. And it says as seen on TV. I've never seen it on TV, but I will tell you, whoever named this named it properly because I've used it on so many things besides my scissors and my mat, and it cleans beautifully. It removes some of the toughest things that I have in my studio. So some of you are probably already aware of this, probably already using it, but for me, when she brought it in, I had never seen it, but I decided I would give it a try. And I have these extra thick cleaning sponges. I cannot remember where I got these. They're like the magic eraser, but those alone would not remove the gunk from my scissors. I might have gotten these from the Dollar Tree or from Pop Shelf. I can't remember which one. And there are no identifying marks here on the pack, but it is called the Original Extra Thick Magic Cleaning Sponge. There are 20 in this pack, so I know that I got it from one of the discount stores, but I can't remember which one because I've had it for a while. And so I thought if this works on what she needed it to work on, perhaps it'll remove some of the gunk from my scissors. And in the process, I also realized that it would remove the gunk from my mat. So I'm just going to spray some of this on here. I'm going to spray both sides. And my scissors are stainless steel, so they're not going to rust. Then I have one of the magic cleaning sponges. And all I did was I got in there with just a little bit of elbow grease. And I don't know if you can see that, but all of that gunk is gone. And there's some gunk right there. Let's just remove it. Now this might not be how you're doing your scissor cleaning. So how about sharing it in the comment section how you clean your scissors. So let's just go across. And y'all look at that. That is a real-time cleaning. That hasn't been sped up or anything. That is a nice clean side. This side has gunk on it too. So I am just going to get in there and clean. Look at that. Now it is tearing up my little cloth here, but that's okay. Because I probably should have just cut off a piece, a smaller piece anyway. So I'm going to grab a paper towel so that I can wipe these scissors so that you can see just how clean and new they look. So there's one pair. Y'all look at how clean that is. I'm going to spray some on here, and we're going to clean this part. I'm going to let that sit for a minute. And I'm just putting a little bit of pressure. Let's start on this side. And I'm going in with my sponge like that. Ooh, it came right off. And did you see that? It penetrated right through that and it came right off. Again, another clean pair of scissors. So I am just going to take these and put them over there. And let's do our third and final pair. Let me get some of this on both sides. Totally Awesome is the name of this. And I have to say that I'm totally impressed. So I am just cleaning. Let's get down in here. So yeah, if you have a way that you like to clean your scissors, go ahead and share it, because there might be some other ways out there, some more easily accessible ways. Not everyone has access to a Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if this is sold in other stores. I don't know, but definitely share what you've been doing to clean your scissors, because it might be helpful to others. So now I'm just going to clean this. And so now we have 3 really clean pairs of scissors that are ready to be used. I'll probably go back with a little bit of mineral oil and just oil my scissors just a little bit. And by oil my scissors, y'all, all I do is I take a little bit of oil and put it right in there. And then I just go back and forth like this. And it helps to make sure that my scissors are going to open and close very easily. So you just saw me cleaning 3 pairs of scissors using, this is called LA's Totally Awesome. It is advertised as an all-purpose concentrated cleaner, degreaser, spot remover. And I'm going to have to say, for me, for $1.25, which is what this cost my daughter, this has gone a long way. She's been using it on some of her projects, but now I'm going to be using it on my scissors to clean other items as well. Look at these scissors. They look so good. Thanks to this LA's Totally Awesome spray and my cleaning sponges. So this was non-sponsored. I just happened to stumble across that this would work on this, and I thought I would share it with you in maybe a little tip video such as this one. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Make sure that you leave your comment in the comment section below on how you clean your scissors, because you might be helping someone who is considering throwing out a pair of scissors that can probably be cleaned. So as always, my friends, y'all, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.